Welcome to this video, where we examine the legal case Enger, Juan B. Berces versus the Civil Service Commission. This lecture covers the critical distinctions between grave and simple misconduct, the impact of after-hours conduct, and the legal principle of proportionality in penalties. Let's begin with the factual background of the incident, which centers on an after-hours office gathering that took place at the Tobacco City Hall on August 5, 2011. The parties involved in this matter include the petitioner, Enger, Juan B. Berces, a city planning and development officer, and the respondents, the Civil Service Commission and the city mayor. The incident occurred when Enger, Berces, and two staff members consumed alcohol in the office after hours to celebrate his 15th anniversary of service. The case has a lengthy procedural history. It began in February 2012 with an order of dismissal. By 2013, the charge was downgraded to simple misconduct, but then reinstated to dismissal, eventually leading to a 2021 Supreme Court ruling that found the petitioner liable for simple misconduct only. The Supreme Court evaluated two key issues: a procedural issue regarding the Court of Appeals' dismissal of the petition, and a substantive issue regarding whether after-hours alcohol consumption without corrupt intent warrants dismissal or just suspension. Next, we will review the legal principles and Supreme Court doctrines that distinguish between grave and simple misconduct within Philippine civil service jurisprudence. To distinguish these offenses, simple misconduct is a transgression of a rule without corrupt intent, carrying a penalty of suspension. Grave misconduct requires proof of corruption or a flagrant disregard of rules, and carries the penalty of dismissal from service. The Supreme Court reasoned that there was an absence of corruption in this case. The act was isolated, occurred after hours, and did not involve any bribery or unlawful gain, nor did it disrupt public services. Regarding the principle of proportionality, the court noted that an unblemished 15-year career serves as a mitigating factor. Dismissal is a severe sanction, and should generally be reserved for clear cases of corruption or significant breaches. In its final judgment, the Supreme Court reversed previous decisions and imposed a 6-month suspension without pay, finding the petitioner guilty of simple misconduct only. In conclusion, key takeaways for practice include the high evidentiary bar required to prove grave misconduct, the necessity of applying proportionality in sentencing, and the understanding that minor after-hours infractions without corrupt intent typically constitute simple misconduct. This concludes our review of the Berces case. We hope this video has provided a clear understanding of the relevant legal principles and the court's reasoning.